Coming soon to the Nicholas Brown Podcast, Season 3, Cash Flow Your Way to Retirement Dreams.
I know people talk about investing out of their retirement account, but that doesn't really create the cash flow because you're required to keep those funds in there unless you want to be hit with penalties and pulling the funds out of your retirement account too early from it there. So depending on the type of retirement account that you have, seeing if you can loan yourself out of that retirement account in order to invest, just make sure you have a plan on how to pay it back with interest and according to the terms of the retirement account. So whatever you're going to invest into, ensure that the returns are larger than your interest that you're paying back to your retirement account.
Mark your calendar for the premiere date and time. In this highly anticipated season, we're diving deep into retirement planning with special focus on cash flow. Discover expert insights from the renowned tax advisor Larry Pendleton, who will share invaluable tips and strategies for optimizing your retirement savings and 401k planning. Don't miss out. Be the first to access our exclusive content. Subscribe now and click the notification bell. Secure your financial future. Cash flow your way to retirement dreams and subscribe today. Stay tuned for more updates and details. Together we'll unlock the secrets to a prosperous retirement.